right, so now we have the general form of a parabola. Looks like that, the regular old kind. There's a lot of things we can do. Be with me. There's a lot of things we can do. I think the easiest one is when x equals 0, I'm at the y int. Yeah? So that's really easy. It's -4. So I've already found 1 point. Okay? Now, there's other things I can do, but your book suggests, and I think it's a good thing to go through, is to find the x ints. We're going to talk about why there's other good ideas, but let's find that one. So I'm going to set y equal to 0, because this problem in particular goes just a little bit farther than we would have in year 10. I don't want that 1/2 there. I don't know how to factorize that. Okay? Any suggestions? Multiply everything by 2. Is that all right? If I multiply both sides of an equation by 2, totally legal. So I'm going to multiply that by 2, that by 2, that by 2, and that by 2. So I would never put this written on a test, but I'm putting it here so when you do your notes, you'll remember what I did. Okay? 0 times 2 is 0. That's why 0 is my hero. 1/2 times 2 is 1. 1/2 times -1 is -2x. And 2 times 4 is -8. Sorry, I just said 1/2 there. All right. Now I know how to factorize that. So you're going to be doing this weekend, and you're going to be saying to yourself, 2 things that multiply to give me -8 and add to give me 2. -2. All right? So I set each one equal to 0, and I end up getting x equals 4 or -2. Beautiful. Grab my ruler. I've got a lot of info here to graph. I don't have the turning point yet, but I'm going to get it in a second. I've got the y-intercept at -4. I've got the x-intercepts at -2 and 4. I don't know what the turning point is. I can't go like that. That would be really stupid, wouldn't it? Do you know it's down there? Okay, it's down there somewhere. What's the x-coordinate of the turning point? It's halfway between these two. The average. 4 plus -2 on 2, which is 1. Yeah? Everybody all right? So somewhere at 1, I'll write that there so you know when you're looking at the video. Somewhere at 1, I can get that turning point. You all right? I'm just going to put it in here, because this is easier than that, isn't it? Yeah, this is really easy. So 1 minus 4 is -3. And +3? -9? Some people will, sorry I'm not hitting that, girls, but should be using a pencil. Last year, -9. Last year, did anybody learn minus b over 2a? Yeah. Okay. So we could do the x-coordinate is minus b on 2a of the turning point. We could do that. It's really evil. It's x equals minus -1 on 2 times 1/2. Oh, that's not evil. That's just 1 on 1. It's 1. You know where I got that? From up here? A? Okay. So this is fine, or this idea of getting an average if you have these two. I'm going to pause for 1 second. All right, to find the equation of that, where in the hoods would you start? So you go y equals a times x minus 0 squared plus 4? Yeah. And you'd need to find the a? Sub in to these two? Yeah. Okay. So I'll go y is 0 when x is 2. Am I off the screen? Nope. So a is negative 1. Is that okay? So this equation is y equals negative x, I don't know why I put those brackets there, squared plus 4. Okay, there's a little bit of that in those problems, a little bit of finding the equation. Do your best.